this right there. And I need one more pillow. And
Yeah.
don't take a picture yet.
Okay.
I just need this pillow.
Okay. Oops. Just be gentle with the baby, okay? Here's one pillow.
You got that one? Okay. And I got this one right here.
Okay.
Because I need to keep my feet in.
Oh, your feet, okay.
Yep. I'm going to put my head right here.
Oh. Oh. You gotta be careful, you're not going to...
No. I'll put my feet right here. So right here.
Ooh.
I'm going to put my feet right here.
That's nice. Are you real comfy, Alec?
Yes.
I'm glad to hear it.
I just want to put my head right by Baby Spencer. So I'm going to put that right here. And then I need one more pillow. Don't take